Afternoon honeys, it is Tuesday. It is Boss Babe Tuesday, and today I'm actually taking you guys with me to sign our lease. We are moving in next week, Yolz Beauty headquarters, and it sounds so crazy. I'm so excited. I thought it would be structured. I know I promised that, but I actually feel like once my office is set up, that would be more structural, because then at least I'll have the setup ready for every single Tuesday, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, it is already 1 o'clock, is it? Yeah, it's already 1 o'clock. Let me go. The agent is actually watching me from the window there, thinking, what the hell's going on, y'alls? Let me go and sign. Then I'll come back and chat to you guys about everything with regards to our move. We are waiting for Mr. Price home currently to actually drop off our furniture. They said it will be dropped off either yesterday or today. So today should be the last day. They should be delivering. But we haven't had one single call from them. So I don't know what's happening. But yeah, let's go and sign these papers.
This is your commencement date for the lease. So this kicks in on the 1st of November and then ends 31st of October the next year, 2021. What is the purpose of the business? It's administration offices. I didn't know if I was right, like beauty.
Well, it's still admin.
It's still admin because it's marketing, right?
Yeah.
So it's that.
Sales and marketing. It's not like walk-ins. It's not a store.
This is like a milestone, eh?
It's a huge milestone.
It's awesome.
Absolutely.
You can be very proud of yourself.
Thank you so much.
In this day and age and what we've been through this year already, you are actually one of the people that can say,
we did it. We made it through 2020. I agree. No, I certainly agree. It's been tough. It hasn't been easy, but I think these people make it work. Absolutely.
Are you gonna post this somewhere?
Yes, this is going on my YouTube. Do you want to actually meet my people?
What's the people?
My mensa.
What's the mensa?
My YouTube mensa. Guys, this is Marlies. She's been an amazing agent. Actually, I reached out to Allegiance Properties when I was looking for property, and I think I dealt with 3 other agents who did not actually respond back, and she was the very first one, same day, within a few hours, apologetic. She sent a text, she sent a WhatsApp, and she's just been amazing. She's honestly been amazing. So thank you. If you need any assistance with rental stuff in the south, she's the gal to call. Thanks a million. Ooh. Thanks. I always get in. I always try and get in and lock my car immediately. Don't know what distracted me. Probably this camera. I absolutely hate being assisted in my car, just because as a woman in South Africa, it's just, you can't trust anybody. Yeah, and we were just talking about that, me and Marlies. She is such an amazing agent, you guys. Honestly, like, I kid you not, she's given me the best service. She reminds me of why I started working in the property industry, and why, you know, when you're people skilled, you should show people the love they deserve, the respect they deserve, and every client deserves a chance, you know, regardless of whether you know them or not. She doesn't know me from a bar of soap, but she's honestly treated me like gold. Not knowing our budget, not knowing our credit scores, even before doing all our credit checks. So yeah, I feel really blessed to be treated well in a country where, you know, people can just be. And I just felt like a lot of agents, not even skin color, even black agents, were just treating me, at least when I inquired about certain properties, like I don't matter. And I don't know if it's my age, could be the age thing. I don't even know how they'd know that I'm young. I don't even know. But like, after speaking to them once or twice, no one gets back to you. Nobody reverts. Nobody responds to emails. Just like, I don't know. During a pandemic, you'd think people would actually want business. But yeah, she treated me so well. And I would recommend it to anybody who's in the south of Johannesburg. We actually started this business in my house, on my dining table, with 3 of us, you know, as the Yolz Beauty team. And yeah, the 3 of us are actually moving now to our own offices. I'm gonna have my own, and Shaz will actually share with our fulfillment manager, Noma. So yeah, I think I have, is it a problem? I don't know if it's a problem. I realized that I am not very skilled at multitasking, so honing in on one thing at a time, focusing on one thing at a time, helps me complete the task at hand and then move on from there. I find that I do it better that way than to try and hold, you know, carry 5-6 different things all at once. I don't end up finishing it, like a jack of all trades kind of thing, instead of being a master of one. So I think that's why this week I'm trying to just focus on moving and focus on getting this process out the way and perfecting us just getting settled in an office. I have slept on so much lip gloss only to put on a mask, and then when I get there, it was just my release. I did take off my mask, but we were practicing a bit of social distancing until I actually whipped the camera out. Don't judge me, but I know somebody's gonna be like, hey, y'all standing too close to each other. Very rare occasion, but when I was signing, I had my mask on. I had my mask on all the time until I started speaking on camera because it's really uncomfortable. I truly hope that Mr. Price Home delivers this afternoon. The furniture just arrived, and I just wanted to show you guys, well, it's not much furniture. It's 2 tables and 3 chairs. And then we'll be bringing the rest of the stuff in drips and drabs in the next course of the week, I suppose. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like inside. Remember the carpet I bought a few weeks ago? This is it from WA collection. And then this is the table I got. I got my furniture from Mr. Price Home. I wasn't trying to be fancy or anything. This chair looks darker than what it does online, so I'm a bit disappointed in that. But this is what it's looking like. Over here, I'm gonna add my tall boys, and then I'm just gonna have a server. This is what it looks like. My battery is literally flashing. This is a mirror that they need to take out. Let me show you Shaz and Noma's office very quickly before my battery dies. So obviously they haven't set up. This is their table at the moment. The attorney has to just get her files out, which will be tomorrow. This is their space, also quite spacious, got extra storage. And then we've got a bathroom with a shower and obviously a toilet. I did not expect my battery to want to die right now. Then we've got extra storage, tons of it over here, like lots and lots of storage. Again, there's files in here. There are some boxes that we moved a few days ago, maybe 2 weeks ago actually. Oh no, last week. So we've got space over here for storage. This is some of our stuff as well. And then we've got a few deco stuff. We've got a few stationery bits from Typo, and then a few things from our stock, some things that we've been testing out. And yeah, that is the office space. Good lighting was super important to me, of course. So I made sure. Also, it's a corner office. Did I mention that? I can't show you guys the outside for safety reasons, of course. But yeah, this is our office space. We'll call this a mini office tour. This is Noma. So I tried to revive my battery for like 2 seconds because I wanted to test the lighting sitting at my desk. I'm like looking around for everything. So that will be my PC's plug point over there. My PC will probably be somewhere here. And then my camera stuff will also probably live here. It looks like I'm liking the lighting, I'm liking the view. We're on a slight hill situation, so I like it here. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video. I think it's definitely very different, but I really hope that it's inspirational to somebody. Our business is 4 months old and we only sell sheet masks. What? So today is a very momentous occasion and a very big one for us. I'm really proud of my team. I'm proud of all of us for working so hard to get us to a position where we can actually have our own space. We were literally choking within the space that we were working from home. It was really difficult, but we powered through. And yeah, my hands are shaking just thinking about the journey that we've been through, and for us to sit here today is such a privilege, and yet at the same time it's just, for me, says let's keep working hard, let's keep doing what we're doing, and we're well on our way to where we are going. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, especially if you are enjoying this Boss Babe series. I love you guys so much. Bye.